All day yesterday watching the news, and it was one of the things that I was looking at were frankly things I could not believe, and the kind of anger that I started to feel was very hard for me to control. I found that I was relating with the people who were on there, and the first thing that I want to say is that every person who's out there who is facing the tear gas, facing the water cannons, facing the lathis of the police, my heart is with you. At the same time, it is very dangerous to have this kind of uncontrolled anger. The anger has become now much larger. It is no longer about just this one particular case of rape. It has become a much larger issue. It is about protecting our women. It is about protecting our society, and I really do hope that those who are in power will stand up and take notice. We cannot ignore this any longer. It has come to a boil. It has come to a point where people are demanding answers, and they are starting to get violent. It's not the answer, but we do need a solution.
As a woman in this country, I'm outraged at what has happened. Even the thought, even just thinking about what has happened makes me so angry. Like, I don't think I've felt this kind of anger perhaps ever. I've never been this ashamed of my country and the people of my country, whoever was a part of this. And I don't know whether whatever happened with the water cannons and the tear gas was that. I mean, did the situation get so out of hand that had to be used? I don't think so. So I'm sure there was another way. They are angry. People are angry, and you have to. I mean, I don't even have to say it. People. I'm not saying that. People are saying that these guys should be hanged and they should be given a death penalty. I mean, that is something that we don't even need to discuss. वो तो होना ही होना है. That has to happen. But what is going to happen after this? Are the people who should have been accountable for this, are they being pulled up? I saw this interview of VK Singh, retired general, and he said that by now the people who were involved should have been sacked because of what happened in that in the area. The police or whoever was of that location should have been sacked because abhi tak nobody is accountable for anything. Something has happened, nobody's coming ahead and saying something, and very meek kind of statements are being made. Yeah, we are very sorry that this happened, of course, but you have to give some more kind of satisfaction and confidence to the people who are standing there. They're there since morning to night, and I saw some of the cops hitting girls, and I was just with the lathi. It was just horrible.
A man will not raise his hand against a woman. A man will not attack a woman. A man will stand up and put his own life on the line to protect a woman. I'm really shocked at the things that I've seen.
You don't need a weapon. You could have just told her to kind of not a woman. I'm sure there was another way of handling the situation.